Alright, so our target today is that very first thing, window trail. You see it says 5 miles round trip. From other things I've seen, it's longer than that. I can't remember exactly, it's 5 point something. But anyway, we've done this years ago. It's literally all downhill going, and it's all uphill coming back. So it'll be easy going, a little tougher coming back. Like always, I'll record things as we come up on them and show you what's going on. So hang on and let's get this party started. Alright, so we've not come too far, but this is our very first view of the actual window. Yeah, if you don't know, that little V notch right there, that's called the window. Much bigger in real life than it looks on this. This is sort of the surroundings. And I also realized that on my introduction, I did not tell you the date and time. Today is Friday, February the 16th, 2018. And the time is 9:28 a.m. right now. So we're going to be heading on out and show you more as we go along. As you can see, we've made it to this sign right here, window trail. It just says 3.8 miles round trip from here. So this is claiming we've already come 1.2 miles. That's kind of hard to believe, but you know, we've been tracking it, I guess. Right out there is your view. That's the window itself. So I guess funnily, if you look through this the right way, you can actually see it through the sign. Maybe. That's the surroundings here. That's the trail where we came from. Here's a place where you can jump off and go to the campground. We did that the last time we did this years ago. We won't do it again this year. We're doing the whole thing. But here's the trail going down, and that's it. So we'll continue on and show you some other good stuff. Pretty flat in here. I hear something cracking like crazy. I think some of the mountain's about to come down. I hope that sound is coming through. Wow, that was weird. But anyway, just hiking through here. It's been actually a pretty easy trail so far, especially from what we remember. Right up there is the view of the window itself. And if you look on beyond it, you can see there's a bunch of clouds out there hanging past it. So that looks pretty cool. But we'll just keep going. And again, anything else interesting we see, we'll stop and get that for you. See you on the next. Alright, so years ago, we actually climbed this rock here when we ran across it the first time we did this trail. And we thought maybe we'd try to do it again. Now in this video, it's probably don't look very tall, but at the very top of that rock, I'd have to say it's maybe, well, easily 15 feet tall. I'd say between 15 and 20, but yeah, I'd say 15, 16 feet, something like that. So pretty tall rock actually, and a great big one. So here's a view. You can see some of these big boulders right here. And of course that mountain that cracked earlier. So we're going to see if we can't do this thing. See what we got. Alright. Here, you want to record? It's already recording actually. That's where it's at. And if you can take this and maybe you can get a picture of me when I get up there. If I can get up there. Whoa! Prickly pear. Woo! Prickly pear. And there's more of it over here. Hey, how you doing? Here I am at the top. All right. This is pretty nice. I like it. All right, so here we are. We're down, about to finish. I know, because like I said, we've done this before. We look straight up. See all these canyon walls, all this rocky ground that we're walking on. Hear a bird singing. Walk this little canyon. And then we're not too far from the window itself, but I want you to get the grand entrance when we get there. Hey. Oh yeah, it's almost easy. Yeah, it says window, 1/4 mile, and then Oak Springs is 2 miles that way. Hey, pretty good yourself. We'll hang up here and let you come on by. Oh yeah. Yeah, we came down here some years ago. Been a long time.
Didn't know when we get to the end, and I'm like, oh, gotta be it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, no, you don't want to take those last few steps. Those will hurt. Yeah, she did last time we came, like scared me to death. So,
have a good day.
I ain't getting that close to it. All right, y'all take care. Have a good trip back. All right, well, as a quick update, I'm told it's 11 o'clock straight up right now. So, we took our time coming down here. And like I said, I'll mark the time when we leave here and then when we get back. Other than that, this should be the end of the video. All right, so it's about 11:19. We'll be packing up here. We'll be gone by 11:20. That'll be our start. And then we'll head on back, and I'll let you know when we get back what time it is and all that. So just to show you, there's our view again. That's the window, and we'll take off. Then down these steps. Wow. Okay. Well, now here's a real potential to get wet.
Do you need me to hold that? Let me hold it.
No, I just got to step down onto that rock. Go like that. And then get over here. Okay. Wow. Okay, now here, you don't want to fall in this. Look at all these bugs.
Why can't you just go over here? Is this not the path?
Yeah, I mean, I was going to go.
You go right here.
I can go right there. There's a simple step, so this is easy. I need to get all these. Look at all these bugs moving. Wow, how weird. All these kind of stairs they've cut into these rocks. Show all these to you here. Yeah, and then looks like down this way. Man, what's your foot right there? That's tight, and that'll squeeze your foot. At least it did mine. Alright, now I guess just straight down. And there is finally the window down through there. Yeah, this ain't near steep or anything. So if you come here, be prepared for this stuff on the end. My goodness. I do not remember this being this rough. But you know what? This time there's no water running down there. If you remember, there was a little stream. And right there, this is the window. So, if you're watching this video, you see all that craziness going on. There's no water here, so that's a good thing. This is the window up here. All those clouds that were hanging out are gone. And now I feel because there's no water here, I can get closer. Slowly. I don't know, maybe. Alright, so here, this is as close to the window as I have ever personally been. And I don't think I want to go any further than this. But that's it. This is the end of the view that you see when you're looking at it from way up in the Chisos. And that's as far as we go. You see that big deep pit right there that'll hold water? When it comes down through here, smaller one right there. And this is what she looks like on the way back. So, this is the window trail. You've seen the whole thing. Hope you've enjoyed it. You've seen how crazy it is here at the end though. So make sure you're prepared if you come here for stuff like that. And look right out there. See that big split in that rock right there? And then of course way out in the distance, all those hills. You see the sun on that one way out there, hopefully. And the sky's breaking a little bit. So that'll probably do it. Now when we before we leave here, I'll try to mark, the time and all that stuff. And then when we get back, I'll mark that. So I'll see you in a second to do all that. All right, so you can see here's the trail sign. We made it back. Right there was the start of it. It is 12:42. We left at 11:21. We actually ran across the guy within a few minutes of leaving that we actually met the other day on a bike, went at 21.7 mile walk. And he talked to us for about 5 minutes. So if you do that math, from 11:21 to 12:42 is an hour and 21 minutes. Take off the 5 minutes for the talking, that's an hour and 16 minutes for us to do the window trail from the bottom back up here to the very top, the very start. So, very proud of that time. I think we did good. Can't complain. Alright, we'll close this video out. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't and give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment.